The drone world is abuzz with rumors of the DJI Avata 3, the much-anticipated successor to April 2024's Avata 2. With whispers about a larger camera, upgraded props, smarter flight systems, and sleek design tweaks, this may be DJI's most radical Avata yet. In this video, we break down everything we know: specs, visual changes, flight tech, release window, pricing expectations, and whether it's worth the wait. DJI's Avata series pioneered accessible sinuhoop-style drones, compact, prop-guarded, and designed for immersive flying. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Avata 2022 1/1.7 sensor, 4K/60 video, 18-minute flight time, stabilized selfie drone. Avata 2, April 2024 refined camera, improved thermal performance, better goggles and controllers. The Avata 3 is expected to elevate that formula, with serious upgrades for creators and FPV pilots. Reliable leak imagery and FCC info suggest several key changes. Battery relocated rearward, creating room for a larger, integrated camera module, unlike the iconic orange bumpers before. 4-blade propellers replace the previous 3-blade setup, enhancing thrust, efficiency, and control. Minor aerodynamic tweaking while maintaining the sinuhoop, duct shell style. DJI appears focused on usability and film-grade performance, not aesthetic overhaul. One of the biggest rumors, a 1-inch CMOS sensor, a notable bump from Avata 2's 1/1.3 sensor, which would bring better low-light performance and dynamic latitude. Key leaked camera features include 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, enabling cinematic slow motion. Support for 10-bit D-Log color, ideal for post-production grading. Upgraded gimbal design, with greater tilt range and smoother stabilization, potentially a refined version of Rocksteady 3.0 or Horizon Steady updates. Flight speeds rumored to exceed 140 km per hour, making it more aggressive, yet controlled, for fast FPV flying. Performance rumors suggest DJI has beefed up speed and endurance. Expect faster motors, possibly higher thrust-to-weight ratio. Improved thermal airflow from repositioned batteries and motor layout. Longer flight times than Avata 2, but exact MA remains speculative. Some expect a range similar to 26 to 28 minutes. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing, including front/back and side awareness, an upgrade over Avata 2's simpler downward-only vision system. Transmission improvements may stretch OcuSync range up to 30 kilometers in optimum conditions. UAV coach. These enhancements suggest DJI is balancing high-speed freestyle with cinematic reliability. Confirmed or rumored accessories. Goggles upgrade, likely a version of Goggles 3 or new Goggles 4, compatible with Avata 3. Improved motion and physical controllers, possibly more ergonomic and lower latency. Compatibility remains focused on DJI's existing FPV platform, not third-party gear yet. Leaks point toward a late 2025 to early 2026 reveal, possibly at an aerial event like IFA or an Unpack-style launch. Some tipsters suggest August or September 2025, coinciding with DJI's usual fall cycle and mini